Meet my husband, a self-proclaimed barbecue master.
I'm John, a barbecue master.
Now you may be wondering where John gets his confidence from.
Oh dear. Well, they do say that men aren't the best multitaskers. True confidence comes from knowing someone's always got your back.
And that when it's time to get cooking, the ASMOKE Essential won't let you down. Take the guesswork out of grilling with 8-in-1 grilling modes. With temperatures from 180 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. For all your cooking needs. So you can enjoy other things like the game.
Behind by 4 in the 4th down with 9 yards to go.
And when it's time to explore the great outdoors,
It's my time to shine.
Portable, lightweight gear is a must for any barbecue master.
yes, John, way to shine. Battery power, along with sustainable and clean burning pellet fuel. And app control. We'll have your camping trip cooking in no time. Delicious. And the cleanup is a breeze. So just relax. With the ASMOKE, becoming a barbecue master is easier than you think.